morning. So I just checked on the bees, and they're doing really good. They're still there, thank God. But I wanted to share some things with you while I go check on the chickens. And so, all right, a couple of days ago, and you could check my video post on this, where I shared how Home Depot is offering free trainings for HVAC, plumbing, drywall, and some other skills. Well, to be honest with you, I'm not gonna lie. My brain is always working conspiracy theorists, not even knowing how long have Home Depot been doing this. But I just felt something was just something. I don't know how to explain it. I just felt, I don't know, something tells me something. I don't know. Anyway, I can't explain it, but I had a feeling that this was more than what it is. So anyway, fast forward, yesterday I stumbled across a video with Oprah interviewing this young lady, and I'm gonna see if I could copy the link and share it. She said that in the near future, and I'm paraphrasing, most jobs will be obsolete because of AI. There'll be no need for them. There'll be no need for people to do them. And jobs or the workforce will look different. And it will look different more that it is more skill set. And I'm like, what does that mean? It'll be more skill set. And my brain connected the dots with Home Depot offering skill training and skill set. Most people that do these type of jobs, a lot of them are dying off. And young people are taking them on, but not a lot, because everybody want to be on social media and make easy money. And these jobs are more labor intensive, but not enough people are doing them. I mean, we saw that during COVID, where the people that were doing these jobs were booked for a whole year, and you couldn't get the people to do the things that you needed to do them. And then when you find people, their quality of work is not great, or they're inconsistent in showing up to work. So I'm listening to this video and I'm like, oh my goodness, I'm connecting the dots. People better be out here learning some skills if they want to keep food on the table. Is rumors that the money will not be the same either, but you can always barter with the skills that you have as well. And so I'm saying to you, get a skill set. Learn something that you can do with your hands, because the saying is, if you know how to work with your hands, you will always eat. So learn a skill set. But they're saying that most jobs will be obsolete because they won't need people to do them. And the jobs that will be in existence will be more of a skill set, a necessity, I guess. So be mindful of that, guys. I shared the resource. Take advantage of it. I know I will. All right.